Most people think expressing feelings is about saying everything you feel. It's not. It's about saying the right things, at the right time, in the right way. In relationships, the way you express your emotions can build deep intimacy or silently destroy it. The truth is, most men either stay silent until they explode or speak too soon, too emotionally, and lose their power. Both kill connection. So let's talk about how to express your feelings effectively, with clarity, calm, and strength. Body. Part 1. Understand before you speak. Before you open your mouth, understand what you actually feel. Anger often hides hurt. Jealousy hides fear of losing someone. Disappointment hides unmet expectations. When you speak from the surface emotion, you react. When you speak from the truth underneath, you connect. So, before you send that message or start that argument, pause. Ask yourself, what am I really trying to say? Do I want to attack or be understood? That pause alone can save your relationship. Part 2. Express, don't explode. When something bothers you, speak it, but don't weaponize it. Say, when you did that, I felt hurt, instead of, you always do this. Notice the difference? One opens the door for understanding. The other builds a wall of defense. Emotional expression isn't about blaming. It's about revealing your inner world. When you can reveal it calmly, you give your partner a safe space to meet you halfway. That's real emotional maturity. Part 3. Don't expect mind reading. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming their partner should just know. They expect their tone, silence, or attitude to explain their feelings. But love isn't mind reading. If something matters to you, say it. Not in anger, not as a complaint, but as truth. I need more time with you. I felt unseen when you ignored my message. These words might feel vulnerable, but vulnerability is what creates connection. It shows strength, not weakness. Part 4. Timing and tone matter. Even the truth can sound like an attack if your tone is wrong. Don't start deep talks when emotions are high. Don't send long emotional paragraphs over text. Wait until you're both calm, face to face. Look her in the eye. Speak slowly. Be grounded. When you talk from peace, your words carry weight. That's how you express feelings like a man, not like a boy seeking validation. Part 5. Listen too. Expressing feelings isn't a one-way street. When you share, give space for her to share too. You might be surprised by how differently she saw the same moment. Listening doesn't mean agreeing. It means understanding. And when two people feel understood, the fight ends. The love deepens. So remember this. Emotional expression isn't weakness. It's the bridge between two souls. But that bridge must be built with honesty, patience, and control. Know what you feel, say it clearly, say it calmly, and never speak to win. Speak to connect. Because when you learn to express your feelings effectively, you stop losing love through silence and start creating love through truth.